Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling, and today we making chicken enchiladas in the crock pot with me, AB. Now listen, if you got one of these and you like that, this is a recipe for you. Let's get it.
Now here I'll show the ingredients, and I'll start off by showing these crock pot liners. You know what? Slow cooker liners, these are a must if you've been following any of my crock pot recipes. Then you got shredded cheese, 3 cups. And then right here, listen, you got to have that red enchilada sauce. Now you can use your favorite brand, but if you can, I recommend using that old El Paso. I love that brand. And right here I got sliced olives. You might have to buy 2 cans just to equal 3.8 ounces. That should do it. And here we got the boneless, skinless chicken breast, 1.5 pounds, and then the corn tortillas. I use about 12 to 15. You'll see them later in this video. Now here I'm just washing them, washing up my chicken. And then, right now I'm just like cleaning them up, pulling off some of the excess skins that did get cut off. But go ahead, wash them, and then get you a paper towel, and then you want to pat them dry. Now after you're done, washing your chicken, patting it dry, go ahead and get your crock pot, and then it's time to insert your crock pot liner. Super easy to do. Just open it up, put it into the base, and then just fold it over, almost like how you line a trash can. I know I probably shouldn't be saying that since we're talking about cooking, but it's really truly that simple. Now, real simple. Take your chicken, add it to the bottom. You don't have to worry about the space or nothing like that. Just add it there. And then what you want to do is get your red enchilada sauce, and then you pour it over the top. And then it's time to set the timer. Now after you get your lid on, listen, you can do it 2 ways. You can put it on high, you can set it for 4 hours, or you can put it on low and set it for 8. Then once it's done, I'll show you right here. You take the lid off, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna shred the chicken. And listen, when you shred the chicken, that chicken starts to absorb that red enchilada sauce. Man, you wanna talk about, just like flavorful, that's it. And there you can see, I was showing you the motion. You stick the 2 forks into the body of the meat and just start pulling it, and it shreds super easy, just like that. Now, what you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and get yourself, your corn tortillas. Now, it's up to you how many, corn tortillas you like. You can go anywhere from 10 to 15 or all the way up to like 25. And again, it's really up to you, how much corn tortilla, do you want to be inside of your enchilada. So what I did was I just cut them into strips and just start adding them to it. And then what I did was I just like mixed it. I don't like to add a whole lot at one time because I want to make sure it gets mixed thoroughly. So as you can see, I just keep adding it. I, added some more strips and did it like that. Now I go ahead and just add, a little cheese. Make sure I get that all mixed up. Make sure it's, completely combined, and then add a little bit more cheese. And I save about a cup, for the top. This is what we're gonna put on the top after we flatten it. Now here we go with the olives. Go ahead and add about half of the olives. Go ahead and mix those up. Once you got them mixed up and you like that. Now, once you get through, mixing your ingredients, thoroughly, go ahead and add the remainder of your cheese and the remainder of your olives. Put them on top. You want to set your crock pot lid on there, and then we're going to go ahead and set it for 1 hour. Now, this particular crock pot only sets, the timer in 30-minute increments, but I like to look at it after about 40 minutes to see how the cheese and everything is melting. If it's to my liking, what I do is I just, turn it off, and then I go ahead and just, place it into a bowl. So what I can tell you is this right here, I can't tell the difference between this way or the traditional way, like rolling them up as you saw in the beginning in my intro. All I can tell you is this is a great dinner idea, easy to make, very filling. And there you have it, you guys. Crock pot chicken enchiladas, easy dinner idea.
So what do you guys think about that there? Let me know down in the comment section below if you even gonna try this recipe, because listen, if you like chicken enchiladas after making them this way, and then you can compare, which there is no comparison, because whether you make them the traditional way or you make them in the crock pot, they're gonna turn out, just wonderful. That's all I got to say. Hey, here's a little pro tip. If you're using a crock pot that has a dial on it and doesn't have the capabilities of going to, like set itself to warm after the timer has expired, listen, you gotta get yourself one of those. That way, if you miss that timer, your food won't become mushy. So, if you're new to my channel, let me go ahead and just say, hey, welcome to my channel. You know what? Thank you. You know what? Smash that like button and share this video and let everybody know there's a channel out here that's taking the mystery out of cooking and simplifying these recipes. And with that being said, you guys, you know what? I'm out. Peace.